September's Ipsy Glam bag. I used to subscribe to the Glam bag plus, but I recently canceled my subscription, and now I'll just get the regular Ipsy like I used to. It wasn't that I didn't like it. I actually liked it a lot, but some of the things I got just wasn't for my complexion, and I kept updating my survey, but they kept sending me stuff like this. For example, I wouldn't use this blush. So in the September Glam bag, it states, find your light. September is all about new paths and possibilities. So whether it's going all out with a bold new lip shade or masking at home, to recharge from within, take a moment to rediscover your guiding North Star. Where will it lead you? Discover yourself. So it says, good news, Mercury's not in retrograde this month, and your 5 Glam bag products have arrived. Allow us to demystify them for you. Okay, so the first one is the Smashbox Cosmetics Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation in 3.18 Neutral. And so this is the foundation. And it looks like I could possibly try it against my complexion. And see, I have a little bit of a sunburn, so this is not my true complexion. Let me see if I can show you. So that's sort of my true complexion, but I've been traveling a lot this year, so I'm a little bit sunburned, or suntan I should say. So I'll try this on a swatch to see how it is on my skin. If not, I'll just give it to my daughter. The next one is Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel in 4.5 Neutral Deep Brown. Ooh, I do want to try this because I have brows that grow crazy, but I normally have to use black because I tried brown highlighter in the past, or brown liners in the past on my skin, and it just didn't work out. So yeah, that's that. The back of the box. So the next item is the Lovecraft Beauty Bronzer in Aditya, A-D-I-T-Y-A, and that is this box. I really haven't worn a whole lot of makeup since I developed rosacea, so I've been seeing a dermatologist for that. I normally wear bare minerals. I used to wear a lot of makeup. Now I barely wear anything on my skin, so that's not bad. I think I'll try it. It may look nice against my facial complexion because of course it's different than my hand, but I'm gonna see. Maybe a pinch too dark. My daughter may be able to get away with it, but we'll see how this looks. Okay, the next item is Eye Balm Lemon Verbena Clay Mask, and that's this item. It states, this K-beauty brand's name is inspired by the Korean word springtime, the prettiest time of the year. Made with skin brightening lemon, verbena, rice, red bean, and more, this clay mask removes impurities, controls excess sebum, and fights inflammation. So basically you apply it to your clean skin, avoiding your eyes and your mouth, and you let it sit for about 5 minutes until it dries, and you basically get a wet washcloth, and remove it. Okay, the last item is Ofra Cosmetics Ofra and Madison Sweet Stuff Blush. So this is probably what will be inside the Glam Bag Plus, this brand, since it says it's limited edition collab. 1 second. This limited edition collab between beauty guru Ofra and beauty lifestyle blogger Madison Miller gives us highly pigmented shadows, glosses, blushes, and beyond. This dusty pink nude blush can be worn dry or wet to intensify it, as well as an eyeshadow. The tip is swirl fluffy blush brush into Sweet Stuff Blush and tap off any excess. Smile big. See the apples of your cheeks. Dust blush into them and blend. So that is September's Ipsy Glam bag box for this month. Thanks for watching.